Hello moneymakers. We have received many comments for tutorials on luxury niche videos, and here we are. First of all, let me give you some motivation. Check out this channel called alux.com. This is a very famous channel on this niche, as they create videos on luxury and self-help as well. They have got over 4 million subscribers, and some of their popular have crossed over 8 million mark, which is insane. This channel is working consistently on this niche since 8 years, and could have made million just from this channel alone. Now you must be wondering how. So the answer is, this is a high RPM niche, and also they are promoting their own products, such as courses and ebooks as well. Along with it, they are also doing affiliate marketing as well. So now if you wish to create a channel in this niche, you can grab a popcorn and watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Alright, let's first discuss topic research for this kind of channel. As we can see, this channel not only focuses on the luxury niche, but also covers self-improvement, finance, successful living, businesses, and more. Now, you need to decide whether you want to cover all these niches or focus on just one. Alright, so where can we find such topics? Let's ask ChatGPT if it can provide us with some good topics. Let's open ChatGPT and ask, I want to create channel like this and paste channel link, so could you help me with that? ChatGPT provided me with all the information and tips needed to start a channel like this, including how to do SEO and more. I then gave ChatGPT a few example topics and asked, could you please provide me with 20 video topic ideas like these? And there we go. ChatGPT gave us 20 topics. If you still can't find good topics, don't worry. I've researched and saved 100 topic ideas for you in my Google Docs. You can access this document by joining my WhatsApp channel through the link provided in the description below. In this document, you'll find a variety of topics ranging from wealth and finance to luxury lifestyles, self-improvement, and business or entrepreneurship. You can use these topics to create your videos. So that's how you can find topics for your videos. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2, writing scripts. Now that you've found your topics, it's time for well-researched scripts. If you're skilled in this area, you could write them yourself, or you can use the help of ChatGPT. To do this, simply copy the specific prompt from my Google Docs and paste it into ChatGPT, adding your chosen topic. As you can see, ChatGPT has prepared a complete script for me. You can now tailor this script to your needs by doing additional research and watching other videos for inspiration. Let's move on to the next step, video creation. For this, I will be using Filmora 14. If you've chosen a finance or self-improvement topic for your video, you can use Filmora's AI text-to-video feature or manually edit your video, which I'll teach you later. For the AI option, simply input your script. However, you can also generate scripts directly within Filmora. It's super simple. Just click on AI Generated, select the informative or explanatory article option, and type in your topic. Then hit Generate, and there you go. Your script is ready in seconds. But since we already have our script prepared, let's stick with that and move forward. Alright, so now, select the voice, set the ratio, and hit Generate.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
The tool will create a complete video for you, including subtitles, footage, background music, and voiceover.
Have you ever wondered what sets the world's most successful people apart from the rest, what daily practices propel them to extraordinary heights? Today, we're unveiling the 15 habits of highly successful people that you can incorporate into your own life to unlock your full potential. Number 1.
You can still edit it to suit your style. If some footage doesn't fit, you can replace it with any other footage from here. There are plenty of options available, so choose the one that suits best. Then if you are created luxury-related topics, you'll need to create most of the video content manually, as the required footage won't be readily available. If I select this topic for my video, so all I will do is, I will copy this title and use ChatGPT to generate the script. Alternatively, you can use the Filmora AI copywriting tool to generate a script. Select the video oral script option, enter your topic, and click Generate. Then, you can either record your voice or use Filmora or any other tool to generate it. Then, you'll need to collect footage and images. For the intro, gather some clips related to your topic. For instance, my topic is 10 most luxurious private jets owned by billionaires. I'll start by downloading some footage of luxurious planes from Pixels. Then, I'll check on ChatGPT to see which jet we're discussing first and find related images on Google, which are plentiful and available for download. Additionally, you can find videos on YouTube, from which you can take clips of about 4 or 5 seconds. Remember, you cannot use an entire video. You must add your own voiceover to these clips along with your effects, texts, and other elements, which I'll explain how to do later. Ensure you download 2 to 3 videos related to each jet. Besides, Pinterest provides not only images, but also videos, so you can source from there as well. Alternatively, you can use Filmora to generate images of luxurious private jet interiors. Just enter the prompt, choose a style, for now I haven't selected any specific style, and hit Generate. That's it. Filmora will provide you with 4 images that perfectly match your script. Amazing, right? This way, we have gathered all the necessary materials. Now, head over to Filmora and import all the videos, images, and voiceovers. Wait. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. Start by adding the voiceover to the timeline first. Then, begin adding all the footage and images one by one. If you're using clips from YouTube, remember to only use 5-second parts from each video, then intersperse them with 2 images before adding another 5-second clip from a different video. Editing your content in this way significantly reduces the chances of facing copyright issues. Continue to add videos and images that align with your script. If you are incorporating parts from YouTube videos, remember to add various effects to enhance them. Make sure you don't use clips longer than 4 or 5 seconds, as it may not fall under fair use policy. Be particularly careful about this. If a video is in vertical format, you can set it up in this way. Zoom in on the video in the lower layer and add a blur effect. Then, align the same video on top so it looks cooler when viewed. Once all the clips are added, let's move on to making our video more engaging by adding subtitles. To do this, click on the voice track and select Speech to Text. After a short while, it will generate the subtitles for you. Then, for customization, click on Advanced. Here in the preset, you can choose any text style. You can customize it according to your needs and experiment with various animation options available. However, make sure to keep it simple and unique. Avoid making it too funky. Once all settings are adjusted, click Apply to All and save it. Then move to the text option and add text wherever necessary. For instance, I will start by adding here, saying, "Today we uncovered the 10 most luxurious private jets." There are many options for titles such as Glow, 3D, VFX, word art, and many more. Drag and drop your preferred style into your project and adjust the text according to your needs. I'm selecting this one because I think it suits my video well. Let's add the text, 10 most luxurious private jets. Try to incorporate text like this wherever necessary, as it enhances the professionalism of your video and keeps viewers engaged. Then, move to the transition section to add smooth transitions between each image and clip. Just drag the transition that suits and apply it between 2 videos like this. Then go to the effects and add this enhancement effect to the entire video. Finally, add background music to give your video the final touch. You can create your own background music with Filmora, or you can upload it from the YouTube audio library as well. Set the volume, and that's it. Keep posting videos consistently and you'll achieve success soon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's check out the video we created.
Have you ever dreamed of flying in the lap of luxury, surrounded by unparalleled comfort and cutting-edge technology? Today, we're taking you on an exclusive journey through the skies as we unveil the 10 most luxurious private jets owned by billionaires. These airborne masterpieces redefine opulence and set the standard for private aviation. At number 1, we have the Boeing 747-8 VIP, owned by Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison. This massive aircraft is not just a mode of transportation, it's a floating palace. Featuring a master bedroom with a king-size bed, a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and even a conference room, Ellison's jet offers everything needed for both business and relaxation. The sheer size of the 747-8 allows for an unparalleled level of customization, making it a true testament to Ellison's commitment to luxury and functionality. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Gulfstream G650ER, owned by Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. Renowned for its speed and range, the G650ER allows Bezos to travel non-stop between the east and west coasts of the United States, maximizing his time for both business and personal pursuits.